So you go to YouTube Studio, you click on that, and then it's going to come up with your own YouTube Studio. If you're on a computer, you will see content or the play sign in a little square box. If you're not on a laptop, it's only going to show the icons. So you will see the play sign in a little square box and the word content. You click on content. When you click on content, you go over to live. You press on live. When you press on live, you find the live stream that you are on. Right now, I'm on Let's Talk. I can see Big Banana TV. Then you press on this pencil right here that says details when you hover over it. So you press on that. Then after you press on that pencil, you will go to customization. When you go to customization, then you go add redirect. If you don't have any short videos on there, it will not show you anything on the screen. The screen will be blank. You need to go over to search videos from other channels. When you do that, everyone who is live will appear right there in your tab. And when you go and you see, if you see directly who you want to raid, you click on that person. There's a lot. So after you have selected who you will redirect to, it is very important that you select save at the top of your screen. If you do not save, then your redirect will not go through. You should also let your audience be aware of where you are redirecting them to, just in case something happens and they may need to find the channel on their own. As you're looking at your screen, you will see a list on steps how to do a redirect. A redirect can be done from a live stream or a premiere. It is a slight different procedure from a premiere, but all for next time.
Welcome in to my channel, Simone TV. Lord, come before you with this camera and screen. Keep me humble as I serve.